Hey, what's up, dolls? Sorry it took so long. I'm back. Um, okay, first thing first, let me talk about that hair, which was like good the first week, kind of good the second week. I'm like, okay, it's getting a little tangly, but I'ma still work with it because I can manage hair, really. I can manage it. So I washed it, deep conditioned it, and it was like good the first week and a half, 2 weeks, it was okay. And then like the third week, Lord have mercy. It was like a bird nest. It was like, you see this, and this was like in my head. Like, it smelled good though, but this is what it came out to be. Um, yeah, this is what, and it was shedding. It was just horrible, horrible. Shedding, can't even come up. I think it's this. I don't know if you see that, but yeah. So don't go get that hair. Please don't. 'Cause I don't want anybody to blame me. I'm sorry. So I should have waited. That's what I should have did. And at that time I was saying I only needed probably about like 4 inches or more hair. So what I had did was went and got this hair and mixed it with that hair when I had it. So this hair, I love it. It's like the Indian hair, but I love it. It's been doing great for me. And I had that about 4 weeks. It's been doing great. So I went and got another pack of 14-inch hair. So this is a 14, and I had flexi rodded it. I hope that don't sound messed up, but I flexi rod the hair. So I'm gonna take it down. These are the rods I used. Try to go fast for you guys. I've been practicing doing this flexi rod thing. I don't know the technique, the right technique. I just been putting them in and keeping them in for a little while. I don't sleep in them. This been in for about a couple of hours, about 2 hours. I slept in them one time and it was like the worst thing ever. I couldn't go to sleep. So, but these, it only take a couple of hours for it to like really curl. So I'm gonna just run my fingers through it. And voila! No, this way. And this is what comes out. So this was in for about a couple of hours. All I did was just like spray some water on it, and that was it. And this is what came out. So this is, once again, the Outre Premium Natural Indian Hair. I'm sorry if you guys can see it. Summer Rain. I haven't wet it yet, but since I've been like playing in it so much with these curls, these flexi rods. So once again, the Brazilian hair from Aliexpress. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Don't. No. Don't get that. So this hair, it runs through pretty good. And this is from the beauty supply hair. So if you're on a budget, if you don't want to spend that much money on like some $100 hair, like I think I paid $30 for the 10" and $50 for the 14". So it's not that bad. And this is I glued this in on the cap. So I like it. If you guys want to try it, go and try it. But that's all for now. Bye.